Okay, Charles. The reason why I was taking the seat off is because of this. So if I stick it into, get from balance into neutral, you can see the neutral selector comes up and it puts it into 0. If I put it into any other gear, that's first, it's lost all the display numbers, okay, for the gear changes. And the same on the upward direction as well, that was putting it down to first. Apparently the fix for this one is to disconnect the battery for a couple of minutes and reconnect it. So let's give it a try, see what happens. There we go. What a fix. Show the one, the first gear. Okay, can't go into second, it's on the gears now on the bike, but there we go. But it does work. So just by disconnecting your battery for a couple of minutes, has actually fixed that gear selector not showing up in the Royal Enfield Himalayan display. Good on you. Happy days.